Good morning, Wonder Woman of the world. This is Ilona Budapesti from 1 Million Women to Tech. Welcome back to the Summer of Code, Week 12. GitHub, a gentle introduction to collaboration using GitHub. Let's have a look at what we will do today. So, today we will talk a lot about writing good commit messages. And we will also look at the 1 Million Women to Tech, as well as several large open source projects contribution guidelines. We will also learn how to add images to our markdown files. So I would like to ask you that if you have a Mac, you download and install Sketch or whatever your favorite annotation tool is. So that we can create nice screenshots and sketches on them and collaborate. If you are on Windows, you can choose an alternative to Sketch or any screenshot taking and annotation tool. We will learn to collaborate on the same file, so please also download, install, and set up GitKraken. GitKraken is available for all platforms. It's free on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and you can connect it with your GitHub account. So that's all that you need for today. And now I'm happy to take some questions. Virginia, welcome back. How was your German exam? I hope it was really, really good. There's one more thing I would like to announce. If you are in the member portal, I realized that for me, when I look under courses, somehow, when I mouse over, you actually need to scroll down in order to see this week's class. For some reason, the member portal stops showing after 11 weeks. It's there, you just have to scroll to it. And so it took me a little time to figure this out because the contrast is very low and we cannot change this setting. So it's right here, week 12 and week 11 are pre-made for you. So please find it here. And we've also added, thank you so much, Jesse, the code directly to underneath here. Also, the README file would be very good to read. So when you click through to day 1, please also read the README file because it starts with the README. How did that work? I don't know why. It's correct. Why is it? Oh, I see. There is a missing semicolon. Okay, so that needs fixing. Good that I checked. So we will fix this, and it's there though. So the other way to get to it, of course, is through the bookmarks, or you just go to GitHub 1 Million Women to Tech. It's 1 Million Women to Tech GitHub, and this is working. Excellent. Okay, good. Are there any questions? Good morning, Ola. Rox, good morning. Viti Patel. What about Git? Oh yes, you do need Git. That's a good point. Also, Jesse, if you're there, could you please also add the README file from week 12? So this README under week 12 into the member portal, because I think it's important that people read through that first and then go into the day 1. so that we have both links under day one. Thank you. Good morning, Francis. Namaka, I don't think it's necessary to download again. I think you do need it. To be honest, for me, it's baked in because on Mac, if you download Xcode, you got Git baked in, but it's a very good question. Actually, I think you check your Git version and then decide if you need it. Let's check the terminal. It was, thank you, says Virginia. Oh, wonderful. Okay, Git dash version. Yeah, so check that you have Git. It's probably a good idea. Although I wonder if Git Kraken will check that for you and automatically when you're installing. Start with Git Kraken. I have the feeling that Git Kraken will not run anyway without Git, and so if it's missing it, it will give you an option to download. So I would start out by downloading Git Kraken and going from there. Good question. Hi, Wala Adlan. I don't think I've seen you before. Very welcome here. So we will take a break until the hour, let you set up your machine. If you have a good Windows or an alternative to Sketch, like Vanessa takes amazing screenshots and annotates them, then please let me know so that we can suggest it to Windows users. And it's the same if you are on Linux or Unix and you have some good screenshot taker so that we can annotate them together. Today my goal would be that together we create an onboarding document, a how-to in Markdown with images, and then we are going to collaborate on the same file, which is great because we will have clashes. We will have what is called merge conflicts. And merge conflicts are very, very common, and people are usually afraid of them. But that's the nature of collaboration, and so I want to introduce you to it right away and make you comfortable. Actually, it's not that complicated. Vidhi Patel has Git version 2.19.0.Windows.1. Excellent. Okay, good. Wamaka, I would love you to come online. We will use probably Zoom and talk to you. I gave lots of comments on your pull request. Well done. Very well done. And please correct the typos, and going forward, please be very careful about the small details. Okay, if there are no questions, then as usual, I'll let you prepare and set up and see you at 10 o'clock a.m., dear Gold and VIP members. Again, for DIYers, this morning class, the teaser, is open to you live. So if you would like to interact with myself and the others, please come to the 9 a.m. British Standard Time teaser, and we will see you then. Also, I have some special announcement. Today's Q&A will be later because we have a special guest speaker for you. And so instead of myself holding it, you will have a special guest speaker. Thank you. That's all from me. Bye. See you at 10.